It's the elevator at the Chamber of Commerce. Oh, 2-speed door. Leveling's a bit off. Let's go. Let's give you a little bit of a cab. Pretty small. Notice the carpet on this floor. I found it. Price is $22.50. Let's go 6. Okay, no closed on it. What a 2-speed door. I like that. I'm not gonna bother go down to the basement. I see we got a little bit labeled wrong there. It says 2,000 pound on the certificate, but $22.50 over there. One. Let me get the other info. There are no brand on these, so I'm gonna say this is unknown. This elevator is not original, I believe. It was modernized. And they would have done to the beacon. I'm not gonna bother go down to the basement. Eh. It's elevator number 2. Generic bell. Yep, it's probably on separate controller. There's the mailbox there. Take a look at this atrium. 1930s atrium, that is. Interesting cab. Oh, by the way. Yeah, Mac interlock. And this one has 2,000 pound capacity. See right there is the Chamber of Commerce building. It was founded in 1931. And see, they got modernized. Bell? No bell. Oh. Whoops. Close the door. Look at the ceiling right there. I'll show that. It's pretty invented. Yeah, I've never seen like this elevator in 1930. It's got your push button phone. And your certificate right there, 2,000 pounds. And we're gonna end it at 2. I'm not gonna bother go down to the basement. It's kind of creepy down there. And there's your IS, which I'm not gonna bother. Set it down. By the way. Yep, GEO interlock. Yeah, I'm coming. And that's it.